Where is Cairo? 925 A8.
What time, sir? What time?
850. That's it. Can you push? Can I use bathroom, boss? Huh? শেষ কালাম না শেষ no. This is emergency. শেষ কালাম. My friend Dean Jizwinski told me to try the Negroni one time. Still love you, Dean. I was gonna try Shake Shack burger for the first time. It's 50 dirhams a burger. A piece of meat, 50 dirhams. 2 burgers, fries, 2 drinks, normally 40 dirhams. I paid 17.
A big and tasty for just $1? How do you do it? What's your secret?
There's a girl I like. We had a couple of eye contacts. So weird. And now I'm trying to pretend that I'm shopping, but I'm actually stalking her. She's playing very tough, and I'm playing tougher. What do you think of those glasses? I'm just about to go and talk to her, but another girl just showed up from Italy and Russia, and she's mixed. And then we chatted. So this is how strange things happen. Excuse me? Hi. Yes, do you work here? In this? Yes. I'm gonna just check that the sunglasses are... Okay. Okay. I thought you work here.
I'm working another area.
Okay, thanks. She's married. I just said, can I take you out for a drink? And she goes, I'm really sorry, but I'm married. I said, wow, please tell him he's a very lucky man. So how much can 6 dirham and 50 fils buy me?
There is prices for all drinks, or you want some chocolates.
Free coffee, how much? Free coffee?
I hate to ask, but is there any chance of an upgrade?
Any chance of an upgrade?
Upgrade, pretty please.
Don't upgrade your seat, upgrade your airline. Fly Emirates, the best economy class in the world.
This is the longest I've been away from Cairo, and I have mixed feelings. باشا تاخدني معاك قدام بعد اذنك؟ ممكن خطوتين قدام؟
واحد هيجي معايا،
لغايه ما يجي
واحد هيجي معايا.